What's going on everybody? Welcome to another adventure video of Ratchet and Clank. Today we're going to be playing the second part. Just keep on keeping on. We got that shit at 1% done. And hope you guys enjoy. You know what I mean. You guys having a wonderful day, morning, or night. Resume this gameplay. Here, we'll kind of skip this cinematic since we've already seen
Need
it.
a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Alright, well, settings. Where is the... Disable tutorial. There you go.
Definitely gotta.
Alrighty. Shatter bomb. What should we get? Should probably move my camera to be honest. But this one has 2 power, 2 range, 3 speed, and 3 area of effect. This one has 3 power, 3 range, 1 speed. I don't know about that one. Look at this one.
Mrs. Zircon was betting
We'll fill
you
our ammo
would
too.
pick that one.
More goons incoming!
Alright. Uh-oh, they're ugly son of a guns, huh? That's a shotgun. Get him. Whoa. Leave me alone, leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone.
One more to
Should've
go.
got the other one, maybe.
The train's pulling away. Let's go.
What do you mean by let's go? Whoa. So this is, gonna get all these so we can heal up and all that stuff. 900 coins. Can we get like 1200 real quick to get the other gun? No.
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates,
Oh, run,
say
Ratchet.
goodbye.
You broke it, I think.
What did you do?
If Clank did it, we could do it again, I think.
Whoa! What just happened?
Whoa.
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
There has to.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Yeah, let's try pointing. Do we have all these? There's no way we have all these. I'm putting this on, man. Which one? Wait. The white one's pretty baller. I'll just dress up normal, I guess. But we don't have any of these. Like the weapon, the gadgets. What's the gallery? Oh, can we be them? Or is that the people we've met?
Hurry, Ratchet. Try using your glove on that rift.
My glove? How do I use my glove? Wait, why did I disable the tutorial then? How do we do that? You.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Right, bro?
Oh, wrong button. Go all over the fucking place.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not
Go over
nearly
here,
enough.
Just
What
need
is
to
this?
cut through the station and catch up with Nefarious.
Raritinate. Excuse me. This was just probably like a bonus thing. Wait, can I go? Is there something for this side? Oh, huh. Let's keep on keeping on.
Rest days are for the weak.
Oh, select the weapon. I'm gonna try to 100% this whole game. Don't cry, I'm here. I'm here to save the day. Oh, I beat the piss out of him, my bad.
Whoa, watch your head.
This is worse than I had imagined.
No, I can't even help him. What the frick is going on? I'm trying to help. I can't. I'm so sorry.
Sanj,
Oh, the monster. Oh no. Alright, can we destroy everything?
Might as well give up. Was that a kraken?
or at least a very large octopus.
Holy smokes, everybody's freaking out. Oh, I guess they're invading their...
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
Gotta go
The
get that
taxis
ship.
leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxers has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first? I'm hitting the beach as soon as I get this brownie moon. Those things sting! All right, here.
check in here real quick. Nothing else? Alright.
Next stop, Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Yeah, they're rifting all over the
Nefarious
place.
is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa!
There's so many things going on.
Mrs. Zerba has been waiting for this one. You cannot go wrong with this stock.
Look at this one.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
So many rifts.
Don't let him get to the boss!
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal.
Let's go get these cards real quick. Let's go get a little bit of health, a little bit of ammo.
All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
Let's get to
These
Nefarious.
goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Ah, did that hurt? Good. Watch your step.
Take that, Nefarious.
Toads are so unpleasant. His defenses are...
Ah, yes, run from me.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Oh no, I got hit.
Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Today, my ultimate plan will come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80.
Now, it doesn't matter.
Today will be the last time.
That looked rather painful.
I
These
jumped,
goons
bro.
are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity leave.
Oh,
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses. Toads are
Go in
so
the hole.
unpleasant.
Toad in the hole. Get him. I can't believe I died though. don't know why I would have died.
Take that, Nefarious!
Yes, run from me!
His defenses are... Oh dear, he is targeting us. Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't
Good
matter.
stuff.
Today will be the last time. You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win! So you can finally know how it feels!
I should have exploded him, but I guess so. Where are we going?
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Whoa, bro.
How bad is it?
Where are we falling from?
Well, it is certainly not
Where is
good.
that?
Great!
Where are
I
we?
control it?
Beats me.
To the depths with many arms
On a ship now?
We've been boarded! Get off me, ship! Foul creature!
Oh, another one? Going all over.
Did I do it? Or what? Is this... What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Get him.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
What just happened? What just freaking happened? Rock, Shaggy.
Ratchet?
Oh shit.
Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. It... What have I done?
What have you done?
Rivet.
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Let's go for a little ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Damn.
Hi? It's me?
Damn.
It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Damn.
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
I don't think he knows what's going on. Ratchet Clank ripped apart, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the adventure.
Oh,
Come on. Get
Clank?
up there, buddy.
Clank?
Oh,
Humpbacks? What
He's
is
just
this
Pearl Sweater,
place?
I think. Well, you guys are only gonna find out in the next episode, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, please. It'll help out the channel. You guys are wonderful, and like 90% of you guys aren't even sub when you're watching. Come on now, fix that, please. I love y'all. Peace out.